on, family? Summing my day up, wrapping it up, about to get ready to go home. So I put in the window frame and the front entrance frame. Got it done. As you see down here, I still have I gotta cut that out and patch it up. And we got some patching to do on this thing, especially here. These here, I believe we can be able to get some new ones and put them on there. But we should be able to utilize a lot of that. But he got this one right here from an auction. They pretty much got it for the low. Had a lot of damage to it. We pretty much gonna get it going. Let's see. It's coming on along though. Hold on.